Okay, all right. So it seems like we are having an issue with the Jupyter Dash and Dash Plotly packages, probably because of the conflict between these two packages for the Dash within the Jupyter Dash. So we're getting the requests, path name, prefix issue. All my previous codes don't appear to be working right now. Full disclaimer, I'm not an expert. I'm also learning just like you are. That's why I started this channel. Sorry about the pops. I don't have a pop filter because it's a it's an overhead microphone, so we got to deal with it. Anyways, um back to the topic. So I'm going to be posting a couple of more videos about just usual stuff that people do when they start to learn coding. I know a bit of coding, but I'm not an expert. Python is relatively new to me. I'm not an expert in Python, I gotta admit that. Python is huge. Anyways, back to the topic. This is about requests, path name, prefix. So we have issues with that. Even I'm facing issues. My previous Dash Plotly codes are not working. Let me share my screen with you to show you a possible fix that I came across, which could possibly help you as well. There you go. Okay, so we are facing the issue where, okay, we do have Jupyter Dash. Huh, that's weird. So we are facing the issue where the code tells us that it's the request path name prefix is in a read-only mode state and that cannot be altered. So I don't know how I can fix that issue. I've tried a bit, but I couldn't. So instead, what we're going to do is we are just going to install the previous version of the Dash package and the previous version of the Jupyter package, which should, for the most part, work for your existing code because you would have probably coded it earlier, right? When the packages were at those versions. So either ways, let's do a factory reset of the runtime. By the way, I'm using Google Colab for those of you who don't know or who are new to this. It's it's Google's own version of Jupyter Notebooks. Basically, you could use their GPUs, their TPUs, but at the moment I'm not using those. I am using my inbuilt processing power of my laptop. So I'm sorry, I'm not looking directly at the camera because I'm looking at the screen. Okay, so we're having the packages being installed. And if you could see, I'm using the previous version of Dash and the previous version of Jupyter Dash, not exactly previous, but older versions that did work. And so this is a code that I picked off of the internet. I will also be posting links to this this notebook. I picked this code up from Stack Overflow. So I think it's in public domain anyways. I also answered this question over there. So I'm trying to open up this URL and it's taking a bit of a time because my laptop is slow. It's 6 years old at this point. It's an i7 4720 HQ, Haswell the heater lineup. Okay, so there you go. It works. And I'm going to be posting more videos about my journey. So it's more like learn with me, code with me. So yeah, you could get a glimpse of the experience of a semi newbie who's getting into coding. So it's interesting. Anyways, if you want to see more and if this helped you, do leave a comment down below and give it a like if you like this video. And you could dislike it if you want to, but it's not going to help. YouTube just removed the dislike counter, so everybody loses. Anyways, see ya. Bye.